Hi, welcome to this video. To create relational CRM in Notion, you must build independent databases for each core CRM entity and link them using relation properties. A functional CRM relies on a network of distinct tables like companies, contacts, and deals that share data dynamically rather than storing everything in a single spreadsheet. So I told Notion to create a relational database for me. It told me exact same thing: companies, contacts, deals, and basically all the gist, right? And activities. So I told Notion AI to create it however they want. And as you can see, this is the final outcome. They create a CRM, companies, contacts, deals, activities, right? Basically, that's it. Consider like this video, subscribe it. It really helps the channel. Till next.